breakfast, Jollibee. Jollibee. Stefan, eat your breakfast. Eat. Where are we, Philip?
McDonald's.
You want to go to McDonald's?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna have breakfast. Guys, we're here in Marina Mall, and yes, we're looking for the restaurant that we actually was looking in the internet. It's Linotre, babe, right? It's Linotre, and yeah, I heard that it's a nice restaurant. My husband said it's been here quite a while now, and it's a competition, so we'll see. It might be really good. And look at that. I also Cinnabon. We love Cinnabon. But later on, maybe after we have our breakfast, because every time we go out we eat, and then we go for a dessert. So later, guys. Okay, wait, can we check this? I just want to see Fendi because I really want something in Fendi.
Who's here, Philip? Your mommy's back.
Hi! What did you order?
$6 and a toy.
McDollars?
$6 and a toy.
McDollar?
What the? No, the McDonald's.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, guys, we're here in Linotre. We're gonna have our breakfast. OTD for today. Food is here. Stefan, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Stefan!
It is actually. I like the motion from a boat, you know?
Yeah,
Pretty nice, right?
and
So relaxing.
the breeze.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm even putting mask. Wow.
Now is the real thing.
Wow.
Now wait.
We are out of Marina now, yes?
Wow.
This is a big bubble bath, huh?
Yes.
You like it, Stefan?
Now you're
Stefan.
Look at the seagulls.
Wow, seagulls. Wow, look at that.
You should change your name to light.
Look at the
Bring
big boat.
joy to everyone. All the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that
my dirty.
Blow, blow, mommy.
Can you only cut or do I have
You should do it. You're doing nice. No, really, you're doing good. Oh, yeah?
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I will open my eyes now. Ready or not, here I come. Ooh. Hi, baby! Wow! Okay. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3 till 10. You're hide and seek, Stefan? You're playing hide and seek? Where's Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where? Oh. Guys, we're showing our skincare.
You look like a rape victim.
So, yeah, guys, we're doing a face mask. Augie's having green tea, and I'm having pomegranate. Right? Just basically, it's for hydration. We've been out all day, and we need that glow back after some time under the sun, right, babe? Tell us about your day.
It was great until now.
He had no choice, guys. If I'm doing this, he's also doing this. Just in case we're both sensitive, we both get the acne. Damay na, guys. Okay. Today, guys, we had a really productive day, right, babe? We woke up really early. I woke up even earlier than Augie. I woke up like around 5 because Stefan is really, he's really like an early bird. Stefan is an early bird, so I had to also like wake up with him. So I woke up with him and prepared their breakfast earlier than usual, and then 7:15 Augie was already awake, and by 9, and the kids had their breakfast, and by 9 we're already out, babe. 9, right? Out. And we went to Marina Mall, and from there we went to Linotre, Paris. It's to have our breakfast. It was really great, right, babe? Food was amazing. You can really feel the love and care. Like, it was really amazing, guys. That's like the best food we had here in Kuwait. it's like really, like Augie knows good food, so and even me, I have like a good palate, so I know like if it's good food. Like, what is this? So I'm a food critic now. So guys, my favorite was the French toast, right? And the mushroom. I love the mushroom. It's so hard to find, like, babe, like normally mushrooms, they don't really like taste good, right?
Yeah.
But this one here, everything actually except the club sandwich, but just like every other restaurant, right, babe? It's just kind of like standard, But really, food was amazing. The kids enjoyed, and it's made with love. So basically, we had Parisian food, French food in the morning for breakfast, and then we did a little bit of shopping as usual because we're in the mall. So no one can stop me from shopping. And then after that, we went to the seaside. We walked a little bit. And then we had a boat ride, which was really, really amazing experience. The kids loved it. Philip actually was hesitant, right, to go. He was like a little bit scared, but he was fine. Yeah, he somehow managed to overcome his fear. So yeah, it was really great. And then yeah, we had to go home. Like, yeah, we had coffee. We walked a little bit, and then we had to go home because the kids have to have their dinner. So yeah, and then went home. We had pizza.